Welcome to our Tiny Washer Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two compact washing machines that promise to make laundry easier in small spaces. First up, we have the Elevon QD-MINIPWM-GY-1G, a portable mini washing machine with a spin dryer that can handle up to 5.5 pounds of laundry. It's designed for home, apartment, or RV use, and features a rotary timer controller for easy operation. On the other hand, we have the 16L portable washing machine, which boasts a foldable design and 3 cleaning modes, making it suitable for small clothes and perfect for hotels, camping, or apartments. Let's see how they stack up against each other in various categories. The Elevon QD-MINIPWM-GY-1G features a sleek and modern design with a glossy white and gray finish, making it an attractive addition to any small space. Its compact size allows it to fit easily in tight areas, while the rotary timer controller adds a touch of practicality. In contrast, the 16L portable washing machine offers a foldable design that enhances its portability, making it ideal for travel or storage. Its functional layout includes 3 cleaning modes, catering to various laundry needs. Both machines are designed with user convenience in mind, but their approaches to portability differ. When it comes to capacity, the Elevon QD-MINIPWM-GY-1G can handle up to 5.5 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for small loads such as delicates or everyday items. On the other hand, the 16L portable washing machine offers a larger capacity, accommodating up to 16 liters, which is perfect for washing multiple small clothes at once. This difference in capacity makes the 16L model more versatile for users with larger laundry needs, while the Elevon model is ideal for those who prioritize compactness and ease of use. The Elevon QD-MINIPWM-GY-1G is equipped with a rotary timer controller, allowing users to easily set the washing time according to their needs. This straightforward functionality is perfect for those who want a simple and efficient washing experience. In comparison, the 16L portable washing machine boasts 3 cleaning modes, providing users with options for different types of laundry. This feature enhances its versatility, making it suitable for various fabric types and cleaning requirements. While both machines offer unique functionalities, the choice ultimately depends on user preference for simplicity versus versatility. In conclusion, both the Elevon QD-MINIPWM-GY-1G and the 16L portable washing machine have their strengths and cater to different user needs. The Elevon model is perfect for those looking for a compact and easy-to-use washing machine, while the 16L model offers greater capacity and versatility. Depending on your laundry requirements and living situation, either of these machines could be a great addition to your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.